DIY Nissan key fob programming. Is it possible? Yes, programming a Nissan intelligent key fob yourself is possible and increasingly common as of November 2025. Recent advancements have made DIY methods more accessible, but it requires caution. Tools like OBD2 scanners or smartphone apps can perform reprogramming. However, models post 2020 have stricter anti theft protocols, making unauthorized reprogramming more difficult. Official Nissan guidelines still recommend professional service, but community solutions have high success rates for compliant users. You should have a working master key and access to the vehicle's OBD2 port. Check compatibility with your Nissan model year, as pre-2016 models use simpler methods, while 2020 Plus may require advanced tools. The core of programming involves establishing a secure cryptographic handshake between the key's transponder chip and the vehicle's immobilizer system. This ensures only authorized keys can start the vehicle. First, ensure you have a working master key. This is essential for authentication during the programming process. Next, access programming mode by cycling the ignition key within a specific time frame, or connect an OBD2 tool to enter the BCM menu. Register the key by placing the new fob near the Start button and following the prompts from the vehicle's system. Finally, verify by testing functions like Remote Start and the Panic button to ensure everything works correctly. For security, understand rolling codes that change each use, implement PIN-based authentication, and always clear old keys to avoid security risks. Common issues include dead batteries in the fob or ECU glitches. Reset the body control module using OBD commands to fix these problems. Be aware that improper programming can lead to ECU errors or security breaches, so follow instructions precisely.